Hi, my name is Karolis, and we're here at ATLANT 3D Lab in Copenhagen. I am here to talk about our product called Nanofabricator Lite. And one of the highlight features that it can achieve are nanofabricated gradient structures in one single fabrication step. Now, this is very, very special because traditionally, gradient structures either require many steps in sequence or a very complex fabrication process. While here at ATLANT 3D, we can make it in one step. What are gradient structures good for? They can be optical devices, they can be coatings in semiconductor applications, and of course, in sensor applications. What do they look like? Here's a beautiful sample that we made with some calibration lines on top and a very nice smooth gradient in the middle of the wafer. This is a titanium dioxide thin film gradient on top of a silicon wafer.